contains summer vegetables list. One. Arugula. Arugula is typically best served in a salad with olives, hard-boiled eggs, onions and salty cheeses, and is most flavorful when paired with lemon juice or vinaigrettes with a strong acid content, such as aged. 2. Avocados. Avocados are also an excellent source of potassium, folate and vitamins C and B6, and are considered a good source of thiamine, riboflavin, niacin and magnesium. In addition, avocados also contain a compound that helps with the absorption of healthy proteins from vegetables, making them a welcome addition to a seasonal chopped salad. Three. Blueberries. Although technically a fruit, blueberries are just too darn delicious to pass up for the summer season. Relatively low in calories and carbohydrates, blueberries boast a ridiculously high level of antioxidants. Four. Cucumbers. A member of the squash family, cucumbers' high water content makes it a refreshing addition to summer menus. Cucumbers can be added raw to salads, sandwiches, soups or dips and are most flavorful when paired with chives, dill, mint and salt and vinegar. 5. Eggplant. Eggplants are revered for their excellent fiber content as well as several phytonutrients that play an important role in antioxidant activity. 6. Hot peppers. Hot peppers are high in antioxidant carotenes and flavonoids, and contain about twice the amount of vitamin C as oranges. 7. Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi is an excellent source of vitamin C as well as potassium. When raw, it can be added to salads and vegetable platters or served as a relish. 8. Mushrooms. Although there are different types of mushrooms available year-round, summer is the season for chanterelles and porcines varieties. With low sodium and fat content and high levels of fiber and riboflavin, niacin, potassium, and riboflavin, mushrooms are an excellent way to add bulk to a meal without dramatically changing the nutrition content of foods. 9. Shallots. Of all the vegetables in the onion and leek family, shallots have one of the highest concentrations of antioxidants. 10. Freshest, and most plentiful, among local growers between May and July, zucchinis are an excellent source of vitamin C and manganese and a good source of dietary fiber, magnesium, vitamin A, potassium, copper, folate, phosphorus.
Thank you very much for watching video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.